Good morning, students. Today we'll start chapter 4 of class 7. The name of chapter decimal fractions in bracket decimals. First we'll see what is meant by decimal fraction or decimal number. A decimal fraction or a decimal number is a fraction whose denominator can be expressed as 10 or some higher power of 10. See, a decimal fraction means a fraction whose denominator expressed as a 10 or some higher power of 10. For example, 7 divided by 10. This is a decimal fraction, or you can call decimal number. 13 divided by 100. See the denominator. 100 means 10 raised to the power 2. See another example. 851 divided by 1000. 1000 means 10 raised to the power 3. Now 79 divided by 10 raised to 4. 2547 divided by 10 raised to the power 7. So all these are the decimal fractions. Now 3 upon 5. This fraction, here the denominator is 5. So you can express this denominator as a 10 or some higher power of 10. So to express, you have to multiply by 2. So numerator as well as denominator, 3 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6 divided by 10. So you express this fraction in a decimal fraction, that is 3 upon 5 can be expressed as a fraction with denominator 10. So therefore 3 by 5 is also a decimal fraction. So for the same reason you can say that 7 upon 20, you can express this, the denominator some higher power of 10 for this fraction also, for this fraction also. So therefore all these fractions are a decimal fractions. Now we'll see the important point for the decimal fraction. First, in order to express a given decimal fraction in shorter form, the denominator is not written, but its absence is shown by a dot called a decimal point inserted in a proper place. See, example 3 upon 10. This is the decimal fraction or decimal number. So we can write it is a 0.3. Means this decimal fraction you are writing in shorter form without written the denominator, and the absence of that denominator is shown by dot. So that dot is called the decimal point, and which is inserted in a proper place. Now see another example, 213 divided by 100. Here the denominator is a higher power of 10, and here in this denominator the two zeros are there. So you know 213 divided by 100. So decimal point shifted to the left after 2 digits, so which is equal to 2.13. Now another example, 7 upon 100, you can write 0.07 etc. So you can write decimal fraction in shorter form also, this. Now another important point, this is a decimal fraction 2.4, means you can write 2 plus 0.4. So here 2 is the integral part of decimal fraction or decimal number, and 0.4 is the decimal part of the number 2.4. Now we'll see another topic, reading decimal number. Here the integral part is read according to its value and the decimal part is read by naming each digit in order separately. How to read the decimal number? See, first this is the decimal number. So 21, this is the integral part of decimal number, and 0.45 is the decimal part of that decimal number or decimal fraction. So integral part you can read according to its value. So its value is 21, and the decimal part read by naming each digit separately. So we can read this decimal fraction 21.45. Now second example, we can read it as 0.08. See, integral part you read according to its value and then decimal part read by naming each digit separately. So we can read 0.08. Now the next important, you can see this table. This table shows the place values of different digits in decimal number. This table shows the place values of different digits of a decimal number. So there are 10 columns. This is the number, thousands, hundred, tens, units, then decimal point, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now see this decimal number 45.986 here. So the place value of that 4 is at tens place, 5 is at unit place, then decimal point, then 9 is at tens place, 8 is at hundreds place, and 6 is at thousand place. Now see another 936.4527. So 9 is at 100 place, 3 is at tens place, 6 is at units place, then decimal point, then 4 is at tens place, 5 is at 100 place, 100 place means it is 5 upon 100, 2 is at 1000 place means it is 2 divided by 1000, and 7 is at 10,000 place. So now next 7042.93. So here 7 is at 1000 place, 0 is at 100 place, 4 is at tens place, 2 is at ones place or units place, then point, then 9 is at tens place, 3 is at 100 place. So this table shows the place values of different digit in a decimal number. Now we'll see the next topic, converting a decimal number into a fraction. So we have to convert the decimal number into a fraction. Now you can see the decimal number 0.27. So we have to remove this decimal point from the decimal number. So here you can see after decimal point the two digits are there. So how many digits are there? That much zero you have to, in fraction, write, you have to write at right side of the 1. So 0.27 is equal to 27 divided by 100. Now you can see 3.64 after decimal point 2 digits are there. So 2 zeros you have to write to the right of 1. So this decimal number in fraction form we can write 364 divided by 100. If possible you can reduce it into lowest term also. See, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. Then again 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 91 divided by 25. You can write this fraction in mixed fraction also. Now see, next 5.750 after decimal point 3 digits are there. So in denominator you have to write 3 zeros to the right of the 1. So this decimal fraction or decimal number into a fraction we can write 5750 divided by 1000. Now another example you can see 0.0244. So after decimal point 4 digits are there. So you have to write 4 zeros to the right of 1. So it is 244 divided by 10,000. So 0.0244 you can express this decimal number into a fraction 244 divided by 10,000. Now we'll see the next definitions. First, decimal places. The number of figures that follow the decimal point is called the number of decimal places. For example, 28.497 has a 3 decimal places. See, this is a decimal number. So the number of figures that follow the decimal point is called the number of decimal places. So here this decimal fraction has 3 decimal places. Another example, 153.46 has 2 decimal places. Now we'll see next what is meant by like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. For example, see 3.9, 1 decimal place, 8.7, here 1, 12.9, 1, here 132.4, here 1. So the number of decimal places in all these decimal numbers are same. So therefore all these are the like decimals. You can see another example, 9.45, here decimal place is 2, here 2, here 2, here 2. So all these are the like decimals. Then 2.013, here the 3 decimal places, here also 3 decimal places in this decimal fraction, here also 3 decimal places in this decimal number. So all these are the like decimals. Now the next, unlike decimals. Decimals having unequal number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Now you can see in the example, this is a fraction or decimal number. So decimal has a 2 decimal places, and you can see the another decimal fraction or decimal number has 3 decimal places. So these two are the unlike fractions. Now another example 4.308, here 3 decimal places, here 4 decimal places. So these are the unlike fractions. So students, today we shall stop here. We'll see next topic in next lecture. Thank you.